Hello all student, welcome my YouTube channel. Contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for all whole book, Excel whole book, Word whole book, PowerPoint whole book and SS whole book and whole semester. And my WhatsApp number and WhatsApp link given video description box. So contact me my WhatsApp number and for watching my video and get step by step. So let's start assignment. Title of the assignment New Perspective Alexa 365 over 2021 Module 1 SAM Project 1A. Go to the step of the assignment. Step 1 Main part of the step. Begin on the personal worksheet by cutting the content of range B1 up to B2 and paste them into the range A1 up to A2. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select the range B1 up to B2. Cut the range and paste A2 up to A1 up to A2 and paste. Okay, and next step 2. Adjust the width of column A using AutoFit. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select column A. Go Home tab and use column AutoFit. Okay, and next step 3. Change the width of column B to 60 point. Select the column B and column width 16 point and click OK. Okay, and next step 4. Enter the value shown in table 1 into the corresponding cell in the range B14 up to C16. Okay, copy the range and go back Excel sheet and copy the all value and paste. Okay, next step 5. Enter the albertlona.sanjay.com in cell B5. Select the range D5 up to D16 and then use the flash fill button. Okay, go back Excel sheet and select cell D5. Copy the email and paste. Okay, and select the in D5 up to D16 and use then flash fill button. Okay, go home tab and select the range and use flash fill button. And create link. Select the value and choose flash fill. Okay, next step 6. Change the width of column D to 36 point. Okay. Okay, next step 7. Enter the word total in cell A17. Copy the text. Go back Excel sheet and select cell A17 and paste. And next step 8. In cell B17, create a formula using the sum function to determine the total salary paid by Tabula Insolent Agency by totaling the value in the range B5 up to B16. Okay, go back Excel sheet and select cell B17, type equal sign and use sum function. Okay, and next copy the formula used created in cell B17 up to C17. Okay, next step 9. Enter number of employees in cell A90. Okay, copy the text and select cell A90 and paste. And next step 10. In cell B90, create a formula using the count function to determine the number of people employed by Tabula Insolent Agency by counting the value in the range B5 up to B16. Go back Excel sheet and select cell B90 and B90, put equal sign and use count function. Here is the first value B5 up to B16. B5 up to B16. Click OK. And next step, step 11, enter the tax average commission in cell A21. Copy the text and select cell A21. And next step, step 12, and switch to the cash flow worksheet. Change the orientation of the cash flow worksheet to landscape. Okay, go back Excel sheet and select cell and select worksheet cash for and change orientation. Go page layout and change landscape. Okay, next step, step 13. In cell A2, change the cell content to cash flow April for 10 2024. Okay, copy the text and go back Excel sheet and select cell A2 and paste new text. And next step, step 14. Select the range E4 up to E4 and then non-adjust cell G8 and then increase the font size of the cell to 12 point. Okay, copy the first range and second range is G8. Go home tab and font size 12 point. Okay, next step, step 15. To better display the current manual, change the height of row 3 to 8 point. Okay. And next step, step 16. In cell B7, enter a formula without using a function to determine the profit generated from auto insurance policy by subtracting auto expensive cell D6 and from auto sale cell B5 from the week of the April for 10/2024. Okay, go back Excel sheet and select cell B17. Put equal sign and first condition is the B5 minus B6 and copy the formula. Okay, next step, step 17. After determine the total profit generated by each store, use a no instruct in the calculating the total sale, expenses and profit across all type of the insurance sold. Select the range E5 up to E17 and then apply auto sum function. Okay, go to the Excel sheet and select cell and select range E5 up to E17 and go home tab and use sum function and you. Okay, and next step 18. Assign you just edit the worksheet. The content in cell A9 is no longer accurate. Click on cell A9 and clear its content. Okay, go back Excel sheet and select cell A9. Mouse right click and select clear content. And next step 90. Apply the web text formatting to cell G8. Select cell G8 and go home tab and use web text. And next step 20. Adjust the zoom level of the cash flow worksheet to 130 point. Okay, go view tab and is the click OK. And next step and last step 21. After reviewing the personal and cash flow worksheet, you typically generate some additional data for accounting. To create a placeholder worksheet for data, insert a new worksheet in the workbook, rename the worksheet at accounting. Okay, copy the text and generate new worksheet and name accounting. Okay, complete the assignment. And contact me my WhatsApp number and I can help you for all whole book, Excel whole book, Word whole book, PowerPoint whole book and whole semester. And see you next video. Thank you so much watching my video.